Hello everybody, this is first year experience guru Gerson Salinas, and today we're going to talk about the schedule planner, the new and improved schedule planner. The first thing you're going to do is log in to myutrgv.edu, and then in your applications you're going to hit assist. So once you're in assist, you're going to go to student services. From student services you're going to go to registration, and from there all the way down you're going to see live schedule planner, new and improved. So the reason why it says new and improved is, I don't know. I don't know why it says that. Okay, so from there, you're gonna select your term. You're gonna select which campus you would like to look for classes at. So I live in Donna. So for me, it would be better if it was in Edinburgh. McAllen, no. Off campus, probably not. Then I will pick online synchronous and online asynchronous. Save and continue. So this is the main thing. Okay, so as you can see, I already have a lot of classes show up in my schedule planner. That's because I already registered for them, but that doesn't matter for now. I'm still gonna show you how to add a course. Here you can add courses, and here you can add breaks. A break would be a specific time in the week where you don't want to have any classes. For now, let's focus on courses. You can search a class by subject, by course attribute, or by instructor. So I'm going to show you how to do it all three ways. So here, let's say I want to take English 1302 by subject. So what I want is an English class. So let's look for English. English. Okay, there it is. And then you can select the course. Reading and writing, there it is. Rhetoric and composition 2. So here on the right, it's going to show you the courses that you're going to be looking for. And current schedule is going to show you the ones that you're already registered for. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off for now to show you how to add this course by attribute. This English class is going to be in core communication, I think. There you go, English. And then you can search for the course, rhetoric and composition 2. And there it is. You can add the course again. We're going to take it off one more time to show you how to do it by instructor. So let's say you already took English 1301 and you took it with Dr. De La Cruz, and you said, oh, that's a really cool guy, I want to take that class again with him. So you're going to look for him, De La Cruz Thomas, okay? And then you select course. It's going to show you all the courses that he's teaching in this coming semester. He's teaching Mexican American Studies, rhetoric and composition. So let's add it again. And this time, let's keep it there, and you hit back. And now this course is going to show up right here. Every time you make a change in either your courses or your breaks, you want to generate schedules. And now this is going to show you all the possible schedules that you can take with the classes that you already have and the new class that you want. So this one's only showing me 3 schedules. You usually get a lot of them, like upwards of 100 of them, different options. But right now, since I already have 5 classes that I'm enrolled in, it's kind of super specific, so it's only going to show me 3 of them. So now for the breaks, like I said, it's just going to be a time where you don't want any classes. So let's say that you have a job off campus and you work from 3 to, let's say, 9 p.m., right? For work. And you work Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. As an example, right? Add the break, and then the schedule planner will show you only schedules that don't have any classes Monday, Tuesday, Thursday from 4 to 9 p.m. So for right now, it's not going to show you this is detected conflict. It could be because I already have, like I said, 5 classes. There's no possible way that I can have a break that large. Let's take that off so I can actually show you how to pick the right schedule for you. So here I have my 3 options. Most of those are the classes that I'm already enrolled in. The one that's changing, as you can see, is that little blue block. So this one doesn't have it. That means that that's probably a schedule where the class that I want is online. So I'd rather not take it online. So I would rather have either the first or the third option. If you can't make up your mind like me, I want either number 1 or number 3. If you can't make up your mind, you can check both of those options and then select compare. So this will show you a more of a specific view on how those schedules will look. See here, it's in the morning, and here the class will be at 12:30. So depending on what you want, like let's say Mondays and Wednesdays, I already have a class at 9:30. I rather sleep in on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So in that case, I would pick this one because the class starts at 12. So So let's say open number 3, and there it is. Now if you have already decided that this is the way you want your schedule to look, you can press send to shopping cart. And it's the same as like shopping with something online. You can have different schedules in your shopping cart, and then at the end you can decide. You can go to edit shopping cart, and if you have multiple ones here, you can remove the ones that you don't like at the end. And it only shows me this one class that I am enrolling in, because all the other ones I'm already registered for. So once you decide that that's the class that you want, you'll hit register. I'm not gonna do that right now because I already have enough classes, I think, for myself. But that's the last step that you would wanna pick. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, you can contact us on our social media. We also have an open Zoom meeting for our office hours, so you can drop in and just ask about whatever you want. So take care, and I'll see you on the next one.